welcome back to Peace Love Chic. MARTIKABRIANNE here with another hair review for you, and actually today it is a double hair review. So I will be doing a double hair review on black hairspray at blackhairspray.com. I was sent two lovely wigs by them, complimentary, in return for my honest review. So I am going to give you my full honest review of these wigs. So I have not opened anything, and here's the box right here that they're coming in. It has this cute little pink tissue paper right here, and voila. So the first one that we have here, let's see, it says Royal Swiss Lace Pre-Tweezed Part. Alright, so I'm thinking that this one is, it says the SW Lace H Ferry. So, yes, this is the Zury Sis Royal Swiss Synthetic Lace Front Wig, and it's called Ferry. I will put the link down below for that one. So this is what this is. Alright, so it comes in this box right here. And it says some RT 2730. So let's take a look, see what color this is. Now I have no idea what the colors are. I just was sent like random colors for wigs. I did not choose any of these wigs, so this will be a complete and just blind honest review right now. So cool. Alright, so here's the wig in the box right here. Let's go ahead and take this out. This is deep and wide pre-tweezed part, soft and natural. Let's see what open it do. It just gives you on the back washing and care for the wig pretty much. Alright. So again, this is synthetic and is a lace front wig. And it is going online for $35.95 right now. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Here's the front, and here's the pre-tweezed part that they were talking about. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's like, has pretty little curls, looks very natural. And you can obviously see the front lace right here. This is what it looks like on the inside. So I'm going to cut this and try it on. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, so here's what it's like without any alteration whatsoever. Actually, I think it looks really nice. I'm gonna kind of put it behind my hairline a little bit. It's a little more natural. I'm just gonna fluff it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer just so I can widen out this part a little bit. So this again right here, guys, this is the Zury Sis Royal Swiss Synthetic Lace Front Wig in Ferry, and the color is SOM RT 2730. This is really pretty, and I'll actually get a little closer so you can see it. This is really pretty, and actually it looks really nice for a synthetic wig. I actually did not expect this at all, but there's like no tangle. It's so smooth. Like, I can't even tell you like how soft this is. Like, they weren't lying when they said it's soft. Like, it's really soft. Like, you just move it around. Oh my gosh. I'm sure if you want to get rid of like some of the sheen, you can just add like baby powder to it or some kind of powder, even dry shampoo, just to like get rid of that like synthetic hair sheen. Yeah, this is super nice. You can see it in the back. It smells really good too, because it smells like that factory hair, like corn chips. It smells really nice. So yeah, I'm really impressed. I am really impressed that, you know, for a synthetic wig, like it looks as natural as it does. Because honestly, like I didn't really like it on the stock photo, but like I really like this look on me. Like I really like how it looks on me, because I wasn't sure, but I'm feeling it. Like this is really nice. Like I can go to a party, like dress up and be like, yeah girl. So this is wig number 1, and I will put all of this down in the description box below for you guys. So let's move on to wig number 2. All right, here's the next one, and they actually, I just noticed they gifted me with Velvet Lippy Buttery Matte Lip Cream. Oh wow, and this is from Absolute New York. And they also gave me an eyeliner, waterproof eyeliner. Oh, that is super cute. Thank you so much, Black Hairspray. So, I guess new lipstick, new eyeliner, and new wig. Alright, so this is FreeTress right here. FreeTress Equal. And it says the Luxury Integration Premium Deluxe Lace Front. Alright, so it says flat laid parting, natural hand-tied lace parting. It says deep and wide. And here's the box right here. And it looks like I have, let's see, I have Evlyn. Evlyn is what this is right here. So Evlyn is $32.95 right now on blackhairspray.com. And I'll put the link down below for that, so you can take a look-see. And right now we are opening this. Just keep getting the stuff all over me. And this, whoa, is the color SPB Scotch. Wow, look how bright that is. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is a crazy color. Now you can still see where I like had the part from the last one, so I'm gonna have to like readjust. So here it is. Oh my gosh, I can't get over the fact that it's like orange-ish to blonde, like platinum blonde. But you gotta try it on. So it's freaking me out right now, but who knows? Might be pleasantly surprised. Probably look good. I'm not one for like trying out wild colors, but you know, it's always time to try something new, I guess. Okay, so here it is. Beautiful straight hair, and it's butterscotch, like platinum blonde. I believe the roots are like dark brown, yeah. So, let's try it. You know what? I actually never bothered to find out what the length of these wigs were. So when I find that out, I will also have that in the description box below as well. But back to this. Now what I really like about this lace is that it looks a lot more natural than the other wig. It's just a lot more spread out, and it looks like it can really blend with your hair. So that's what I like about this lace so far. This looks like something that's perfect for Halloween right now. Like this is insane. It's crazy that I'm doing this like on Halloween right now. But this is what it looks like. I'm gonna back up so you guys can see it. So this is the butterscotch, And what is the full color again? It's SPB Scotch. I'm just calling it butterscotch. I'm just gonna call it butterscotch. So this is what it looks like, right? Give me this little volume at the top. But yeah, this is it. So you can see all of its buttery goodness. I'm also gonna put some concealer on it in the middle to make it look more natural. The final product. I don't know, like, I think this is a really good quality wig. I just don't think it's my color. You know, like, this is like really out there. Like, what do you guys think? I want to know what you guys think about this. Like, this is super high quality. Like, the hair is soft, it's really nice. Like, they have multiple colors. They have different colors, so you guys can definitely go check out all the other colors that they have for this wig. But yeah, like, this is just not really my color, in my honest opinion. Like, it would take me a while to get used to this, let's just put it like that, because it's like orange and then like platinum. Now maybe if it was just like all platinum, that'd be different, because you guys have seen me with like the all platinum hair, like, you know, black to like platinum, but like I guess the orange would just be something. So it would either need to like just be orange and be like a bob, I think, or just the platinum. But like the orange and the platinum is just like a lot. But other than that, like, this is a really good quality wig, so definitely check it out in the other colors. If you're digging this color, for sure, like, get this color. It's, again, I'm calling it butterscotch, but it's SPB Scotch. So, and this is, again, the Evlyn FreeTress Equal Premium Deluxe Synthetic Lace Front Wig. These are some really nice wigs. Like, for synthetic wigs, I mean, normally I would run my hair like at the wig store and like run my fingers through the wigs and like they would automatically get tangled. But these are like super high quality for synthetic wigs. So if you're not looking for human hair, or human hair is not in the budget right now, definitely you should look up blackhairsspray.com and check out, you know, their synthetic wigs, you know, their synthetic options. I believe they actually have human hair blend, Remy hair, everything. So not just synthetic hair, but this is a really good representation, you know, for their synthetic hair, because it's like super high quality. And again, I'll like, you know, get it right here, all up in your face, so you can see it. Here's the hair right here. It's really long, it's really nice, and it's doing like a little bit of shedding, but I think that's because I cut some hair when I was cutting the lace. And like, here it is from the back, so you can kind of have a feel for it. But yeah, it's really nice. It's super soft to the touch, and I love how it feels. I love how this part looks and everything. It's just the color is what's killing me. But the other wig, I loved. I absolutely adored, hands down. It was really, really, really pretty. So I give this a thumbs up. Black Hairspray has some really good products, so definitely I'm going to put all the information for both of the wigs down below, including Black Hairspray's information. And yeah, go check them out for yourselves. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!